Hello everyone and welcome to my channel today. Today is the 22nd of April 2020. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope everyone is keeping safe, in the midst of this pandemic. This video is brought to you by Roy Club, and I'm a member of the Roy Club community, and also I'm a participating member within the Roy Bounty program. The Roy Bounty program is a pilot program by Roy Club, which was initiated to provide club members with an opportunity to earn an extra passive income through the completion of simple online tasks. Okay, so today in particular, guys, I'm going to be talking about, let's talk about PRIZM. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Roy Club website, then I'm going to go to the section of PRIZM. When you go under platform here, let's go website PRIZM. Okay, and let us talk about PRIZM. Let's understand what PRIZM cryptocurrency is, and some of the things pertaining to it. And what is PRIZM? Okay, so PRIZM is a fully decentralized self-regulating currency. Okay, digital currency, not just currency, digital, like it's online, it's virtual. Okay, the new implementation of a concept of cryptocurrency, which allows any user to easily and securely store and make money transfers directly, as if this pop-up, as if the transfer of cash from hand to hand. Okay, so that is what PRIZM cryptocurrency is. Okay, so let us just dive into the different bits of it. The PRIZM definitely has different operating systems, okay, that you can install their application on. Okay, so I can see we have iOS, Windows, we have Android for the Android devices, and we have Mac OS here, applications. Okay, and then we also have web. Now we can actually log in from web also. All right, yeah. So security, let's look at about its security. So all transactions are encrypted. Encryption is key in any online anything to do with payments. Encryption is key, and all transactions are encrypted using modern technology, anonymous and decentralized. So that is something that is key. So what else? There is speed. Okay, so the average block generation time blockchain takes is 59 seconds. So to generate a block within the blockchain, it takes 59 seconds and does not depend on the number of transactions within the block. Okay, so that is quite impressive. Looking at the speed, then the passive mining. So definitely here is the main uniqueness of the PRIZM cryptocurrency. Okay, passive mining. The unique technology, paramining, is a source of increasing the number of coins in your wallet, in which each coin is a miniature mining farm. Okay, so when you have coins in your PRIZM wallet, about from one PRIZM onwards, okay, there is what we call paramining that begins to happen in your wallet at a particular percentage or speed. So it generates new generates new coins, okay, and that enables your balance to keep growing and growing and growing and growing. So the more coins you have in your wallet, the more the growth. Okay, so using modern eco crypto technologies, proof of stake instead of labor consuming energy, uh, consuming instead of labor consuming and energy consuming systems, proof of work. Okay, so we have something called forging, whereby network administrators earn commissions from hosting the blocks, the blockchain, and participate in creation of new blocks, and they earn a commission of 0.5% from every transaction that passes through the blocks created within their node. Okay, so you can find all the other details about PRIZM within their white paper. So a white paper is basically like the full description. Like if you want to know the inner bits, the inner workings of everything, how the encryption works and everything, all that is detailed within the white paper, and we can always find that on the website and can download that. So benefit more coins at a lower cost, definitely convenience, a free installation and ease of use on any OS, as we have seen, Windows, Mac, and even Linux, as well as speed of operations make the transaction process easier and straightforward. Using such a mining system, you do less damage to the ecosystem as you spend less energy. Okay, so you can begin by definitely creating a PRIZM wallet. You activate it. So activation is basically throwing new coins or just pushing a transaction onto that wallet to activate it, and then you register on a cryptocurrency trading platform like Singen or BTC Alpha or Hotbit and buy some PRIZM and be able to start. Then sign up to Roy Club definitely to increase your paramining percentage. Okay, so that is about PRIZM cryptocurrency. So these are some of places where we can trade PRIZM and get money, or from money to PRIZM. Okay, so I had mentioned Hotbit, I had mentioned BTC Alpha, Zingen. Then you can easily buy PRIZM through your cards at Crypto by Card. Okay, so these are some of the exchange platforms. Yeah, so that is all about PRIZM. We can hope this has been a bit informative, and let's see if we can continue learning more and exploring more of some of the cryptocurrencies. So this video has been brought to you by Roy Club, and today has been the 22nd of April.